Good morning. It is 5:42 in the morning. I woke up at 5. I wake up at 5 and then I scroll a little for my brain to wake up. Because if not, I can't wake up. I'm literally just laying there I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna do that, and I end up doing nothing. I just think of what I have to do. So then I'll be on my phone and I'll scroll a little. And usually that helps me kind of get up because I stare at the time and I'm like, all right, let's get up. But got changed, wearing brown leggings with my shoes. Today's Thursday. I will be debating if I go work out tomorrow. But hopefully I don't, and I just go. These couple of days have not been bad at the gym. They haven't. I've been pretty good at it. It also hasn't been that bad of workouts. The only thing that fucking kills me is the running. I just hate running, and then most of the time, my knee is trash. My knee will get trash right after I run, so that's also crappy. It hasn't done it though, so I think I'm doing pretty good for at the moment. Yeah. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. Oh, I have work. I have to go to the gym, then I come back, shower, go to work. I have to do some content today. And then after that, I think I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's house. And I think we're gonna go eat somewhere. And yeah, it's gonna be my day. And I'm gonna come back home. Try to sleep. I've been struggling to sleep. I don't know why. I think it's just my body's just tired, sore. That I can't be in a comfortable state. I'm not sure, but wish me luck. So we just went to Creo and they have these little acai bowls. I mean, that's a lot still of acai, but it's a different design. I've never seen these little cup holder designs. It's pretty good. We're gonna try it later. It's gonna taste so good.
The Net and Manny Show. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But you need some.
I need content. What's the content?
Wait. Bro, no fucking way. We have to pay. Look, the video paper. Look at Anna. Dude, I'm so happy that David didn't come.
I just spent my whole check on this shit, bro. Fuck.
This took 4 hours. Looks cool as hell though. Christina.
I have 2 ears. I can sing 3 notes. 1, 2. I have 1 nose.
Shake a little babies. Take a little babies.
Yippee!